Hello lover, and welcome to the Measina Treasures of Samoa YouTube channel, where we amplify Samoan culture. Today we will be teaching you 5 Samoan phrases that teach you about this and that. So stay tuned. So the terms this and that are, whichever word you use in Samoan, is directly related to the distance from either the speaker or the person that the speaker is talking to. So that tells us which this and which that to use in our sentences. So we're going to start off with our first phrase for this and that. Our first Samoan phrase is oleale nei mea. So oleale nei mea is asking you, what is this? So this thing that we're talking about is something that is close to the speaker. So if I'm asking oleale nei mea, I'm asking about something that's close to me, not something that is close to you. Yeah. So oleale nei mea, what is this? Close to the speaker. Our Samoan phrase number 2 is oleale la mea. Oleale la mea. So this is asking what's that. So this is asking you, what is that thing over there that is away from the speaker and also away from the listener. So it's not that close to the speaker and it's not that close to the listener. It's that's a distance from the speaker and the listener. So our Samoan phrase number 3 is oleale na mea, and that is, what's that? When we use the term oleale na mea, we're asking what is that close to the listener. So it's not close to the speaker, it's close to the listener. Our fourth Samoan phrase is oleale mea lele. Oleale mea lele. So when we say oleale mea lele, we're asking what is that? But again, it's the distance from the speaker that tells you what that is referring to. So it's something that is not too far from the speaker. So oleale mea lele is that over there, not too far from the speaker. And our Samoan phrase number 5 is oleale mea lale. Oleale mea lale. So what's that again? So we're asking what's that again. But this time we're asking what's that away from the speaker. So it's a distance from the speaker. And so you're asking oleale mea lale. What's that away from the speaker? Thank you so much for joining us here on Measina Treasures of Samoa. Remember, if you found value in this video, give it a thumbs up. How would you ask what's that and mean something that's far away from the listener and the speaker? So if you got that, tell me in the comments below. If you really would like to support us, please consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell button so that you get notifications when we have new videos. Thank you again so much for joining us here at Measina Treasures of Samoa. Tō whāsoi fua.